All right, guys, so let's try another example. Again, we're going till we cannot take any more perfect squares out of it. So let's try negative 180. Now, we aren't going to do anything with this negative quite yet. We're just going to let it sit outside and enjoy the fresh air. We're going to focus on this 180. 180, I'm going to go to my perfect squares. I'm going to find where 180 would lie, right here. It's not a perfect square. So I could start from here and I could kind of, mess up my perfect square, yep. Or I can kind of look for what perfect squares would go into 180. Again, we're looking at the numbers that are underneath the radical. All right, so we're looking at the numbers. So just try some. I mean, I think I would try 64. 180 divided by 64. Nope. 180 divided by 49. Nope. 180 divided by 36. Oh, well, there we go. So we can see that by working backwards, we can divide this up by saying the negative that's still outside, 36 times 5. 36 times 5 equals 180. Now I'm going to take it that one more step and give them each their own house. Nowadays, this would be, I guess, the social distancing of simplifying radicals. So now we have it broken up. Still not doing anything with this negative. Got 36 in its own house, 5 in its own house. So let's take the square root of 36. Using my calculator or my perfect square sheet, I can see that the square root of 36 is 6. Once I've taken the square root of it, the 6 goes outside the house for fresh air. Bring down the negative, bring down the square root of 5. I would think that I'm done, but just to make sure, 5 is not a perfect square. 4 does not divide into 5. And 1 doesn't help us. So to simplify the opposite of the square root of 180, I would get the opposite of 6 times the square root of 5, or negative 6 times the square root of 5.